Okay, here is a Ryobi 4-cycle S430 weed eater. And I'm going to put some string in it because I did this before by taking the whole thing apart and winding it on, and it was a pain. Put some string. I don't know exactly how much, but maybe about 6 feet. That's how tall I am, almost am. About 6 feet or so. This thing has this cool little cutter. So before you put the string through, you gotta line up this little arrow right here. Right there. Now it goes right through. Just pull it through to where both ends are about the same. Like that. And all you do is push this in, the big part, and twist. Sometimes you gotta push it in a little bit to get it to go. That's it. Ready to go.